Hey guys, this is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson and North County Indian, right here in San Marcos, California. The bike of the day is a 2015 Softail Deluxe in a two-tone red and black. Got those classic white walls and the classic front end here. This is a 103 cubic inch, 6-speed transmission. This model has 9,296 miles on it. Just a solo seat for you just cruising or wherever you're going. Swing back around, let's see how she feels when she's alive. You might have some questions, might be wanting to take this for a spin. We're open 7 days a week right here at Biggs Harley Davidson or North County Indian. We'll see you here.